Welcome. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to turn off the microphone on WhatsApp, updated for the latest version. If you care about your privacy and want to make sure WhatsApp can't access your microphone when it doesn't need to, this guide will show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is the place where you can control all the permissions and features for every app on your device. Once you're in, scroll through the list until you find the section labeled Apps or Applications. Go ahead and tap it. Now, look for WhatsApp in your list of installed apps. You can either scroll down or use the search bar at the top if your device has one. Once you find WhatsApp, tap to open its settings. Here, you'll see all the options related to the app's permissions, storage, and usage information. Next, tap Permissions. This is where you can control exactly what WhatsApp can access, things like your camera, contacts, location, and of course, your microphone. To manage your voice access, find and tap Microphone. You'll now see two options, one that allows WhatsApp to use the microphone and one that blocks it. To completely turn off access, tap Don't Allow. Depending on your phone model or software version, you might see a quick message warning you that WhatsApp features like voice calls or voice messages won't work without microphone access. If you're okay with that, just confirm your choice. And that's it, you've successfully turned off the microphone for WhatsApp. From now on, the app won't be able to use your microphone unless you manually turn it back on. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same settings and choose Allow again whenever you're ready. Taking a few moments to review your app permissions regularly is a great way to protect your privacy and stay in control of your device. Thanks for watching.